So in this hands-on practice, we're going to configure a fixed navigation across the top of our page that will stay in place even when we vertically scroll our browser. So I'm going to create a new folder, and this is Chapter 7Z because it's going to be dealing with the Z index. And I'm going to copy all the files from my Chapter 7 horizontal into this Chapter 7Z. Open up the index.html. This is everything I had configured before. To run it. Okay, so here's what we're dealing with. We're going to come over and we're going to edit the embedded CSS. So we're going to find our nav element selector and a new style rule. So here's our nav unordered list item. So right above that, we're going to create a new style rule for our nav. Position is fixed. Top is 0. Left is 0. Height is 40 pixels. Width is 100%. Min width is 40 EM. Background color B3C7E6. Z index is save that, run it in Chrome. We're good so far. We're going to go to our nav list item selector, change the text alignment to right, and set 10% padding on the right. So our unordered list element, so there we go. So we have our list style type none, text align center, font size is 1.5, margin is 5. Oh, text align, that's where we need to change that to right. And then we need to add another line for our padding on the right to 10%. You can see we've moved it over. And our header element selector right here, we're going to allow room for the navigation bar at the top of the page. So we're going to configure a 40 pixel top margin. You can see you get a little more space there. So currently it's too short to really show us what we need. So we need to add some more code to our HTML. So what I'm going to do down here is I'm just going to copy this a couple times over. So 1, 2, 3. Save that, launch it in Chrome. So now you can see that as we scroll down, our navigation stays at the top of the page. I'm going to take all of these styles again. This is going to be called fixed.css. I'm going to come in, get rid of my style, and this is going to change to a link. Fixed.css, style sheet, Save it, and it should function exactly the same. Because again, all we did is take that code, put it in an external style sheet.